Hey guys, it's me back again with another video. My name's V, if you guys don't know. So I have a big video I want to show you guys. So during quarantine I've got into doing my own nails, so I bought a whole lot of stuff that I want to show you guys. It is hot and my AC is on low because if it's high it's gonna sound in the video. So the first thing I ordered, most of the stuff I ordered is off of Amazon. So I ordered this Mefa gel polish. Oh, shit's upside down. This Mefa gel polish. Oh, by the way, I did my nails myself. Yes. So I actually got this while it was on sale. I only got this for $25, I believe. I did make another video of the colors, the polishes, if you guys are interested in that. But this is what it looks like. It comes with 20 colors. It comes with a top coat, a matte coat, and a shiny coat. I'm sorry, the base coat. And they're small. They're just like minis. But they're minis, but I say you can use one bottle per 2 nail sets about this long, because it sure has lasted me a very long time. A lot of this stuff I threw the boxes away, so just bear with me. Then I got these Beetles gel polish. These are the colors I'm actually wearing right now. These come in a pack of 6. I got, oh, let me show you guys. These Beetles come in a pack of 6, so I got 2 different sets. I got this is the first 3 sets. I mean the first set. Like I said, these are the ones I'm wearing right now. These remind me of grape soda. Then I got another set of 6. Whoa, where's that other one? Which are you know, we're coming into that season, so I definitely wanted to have a variety, plus you always need a white. And I bought these. One was $15.99 and one was $13.99. So the red one was probably $13.99. The purple one was probably $15.99. Oh, let me show you guys. So I kind of just put them all in one box just so it's not all bulky. One doesn't fit. This is a purple one. And I got maybe 3 shimmers out of them all. And if you guys want a video on these swatches, do let me know. And then I literally have them right here. But I'll totally make a whole different video on these swatches. And then I also got this, which are basically these. Take them out. Oops. Little swatch sticks. You polish the ends and stuff, and then it comes with a ring, so you can put them on and they're all neatly organized. And this was $6 for 150 of them. Oh, let me show you guys the Mefa gel polishes, the ones that I just showed you right now. This is the Summer Candy collection. Yeah, I suck at this swatching. But when I first assembled this thing, I've just been obsessed, because you know when you're at the nail salon, I don't get gel because for me it's a waste, especially on acrylic. So now having these in my hand, I'm just dang, you know, I got all these colors and I don't even have to pay $10 extra. And then I got Have to Be Pink, a nail clipper or a nail cutter for your nails. This was cheap. This was $4. Ain't even gonna lie. Probably the cheapest thing in here. Then I got this pack of Macarat. Is that the brand? Macarat. They're basically nail tips. These are the long coffin. They're slightly longer than the ones I have now, so that's cool. I believe this comes with 500 pieces. This was $11.99. Oh my god, this looks beat to the curb. But I got this UV light. I've seen a lot of hype on this brand, the Sun brand, so I just kind of like, you know, spent the extra money to get like the good brand. So anyways, one thing I really like about this is that you can take this apart and you could like do your feet or whatever. So, or like if you're doing someone's feet, you don't have to put their funky ass feet in here. You feel me? I don't even know where to put it. Then I also got another pack of nails. It's the same shape, like the ballerina long. This one comes with less pieces. I swore it said 500, but this was really cheap. I think it was like $6. And then it came with a nail filer and a cuticle pusher. And it came with a decent cuticle pusher. It's a metal one. And then instructions and all, you know, if you're interested in that. By the way, since I said I started doing nails and stuff, sometimes I do other people's nails, so I always keep like hand sanitizer with me. And not just that, but it looks like you're professional, you know? We really out there. Then of course, half of this stuff is like beat to the curb, but that's like besides the point. Cause I really like, I assembled so many press-ons, so many nails with these, but I like these because they're clear and they're like magnetic. So one thing I really like about this whole magnetic thing is like, if you know you're really detailing your nail, you could grab it and like really get down on it, versus having it and like bumping into the other ones. I don't know, I'm just like a very detail oriented person. Then I got a nail bit. This is the one I got. A lot of this stuff, I looked at the reviews. I do not just purchase just to purchase. Like, I have to read the reviews. I'll look it up on YouTube, this and that. I was gonna do like a whole unpackaging, like fresh out the box of everything, but I was like, that's too time consuming to put everything in the box, even though I saved everything to make this video. But and then I got this bag full of like nail stuff, basically like decals and stuff. I got these little nail filers for like little press-on kits. This is an ombre brush, which I'm still like trying to get the hang of. I got this pack of 10 body glitter or chunky glitters. I'll show you guys the swatches right here. I didn't swatch all of them, I just swatched a couple of them, but this is what they look like. I'll show you the other side. They're really cute, fun, especially like a glitter French tip. That's like really cute. The drill bit came with a whole bag of these, which is really convenient. And then this whole bag full of decals. I got these butterfly decals. I got a whole pack of those for like $6. And I also got 3 packs of the Old English letters. I got 3 packs for $5. That shit was a steal. And I got these Louis Vuitton little nail decals. And I have some baby fat ones in here somewhere. Yeah, like somewhere. And then I got these rhinestones, which I highly recommend. These are like really shiny and they don't really look that cheap. And then I also got, with those rhinestones, I got like the little rhinestones in different sizes, like from the normal size to like really tiny size, and they're like right there, but they're like a serious size, so I'm not even trying to pull them out. Gel builder, which I don't know, I've seen it hyped up on Amazon, but I really don't know. And I got the Beetles, the base coat and the top coat. And then I got the Kiara Sky gel nail tips kit. It comes with the gel builder, number 4, which is the top coat, and the prep and the primer. This is the nail bit I was talking about. It comes with that pack that I showed you guys earlier, and then this, and it's a rose gold color, the babe nail. And it comes with this cord. You can control the speed right here, but the cool thing about this cord is that you can use it for your UV light, so you don't have to like have 10 different cords with you. Then the Kiara Sky kit came with obviously the curer, and then the standard cord, and the gel tips. I got the medium coffin, and this came with 500 pieces, I believe. I'm like almost done with some of them. And then the drill bit did come with this little kabuki brush. Then I got a pack of nail buffers, a 5-pack, and then nail filers, because you just stay filing. It's basically a wrap. I honestly thought I had a lot of stuff, but coming to it, like, I actually need to add more to my collection. I actually forgot to show you guys the Powerpuff Girls nail decals, because I don't know exactly where they're at, but I only found the pink one or the red one and the green one. I'm missing the blue one, but yeah, I got those off of Amazon as well. I got 2 of them for like $8, like $9 with tax and everything. But yeah, I hope you guys liked my quick little haul. I hope to add a lot to my collection, because it's just way cheaper to do your own nails than to like go to the salon and have to pay extra for this and that, when you could just do it yourself for like not even a quarter of the price, like literally a 10th of the price. I spent I want to say like maybe $250, or I want to say like $300, less than $300. I got a lot of stuff, enough to do like over 100 sets of nails, versus me going to the salon. I spend like $40 on acrylics each time, so that's 2 times a month, so that's $80 a month. That's not even my pedicure. Now I just do everything on my own, like learning slowly, watching YouTube videos and all, but like, you know, we trying. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like nail stuff. If not, then see you guys in the next video.